Hello. In our last video, we discussed the idiom talk about the elephant in the room. Discuss the elephant in the room, meaning you want to discuss something that has not been a part of the discussion for some or the other reason. Now, let's say you'd want to talk about something to your friend that has not been discussed so far, but then the friend doesn't want to get into that discussion. The friend would say, no, I want to steer clear of the conversation. I want to steer clear of this topic, meaning I want to avoid this topic. I want to avoid something or someone. So, steer clear of something or someone means to avoid someone, avoid meeting someone, avoid talking about someone or something. It can be anything. The idiom probably came out of the ships, boats, and the sea, where there would have been an obstacle, and the boat or the ship would have to steer clear, meaning to avoid the obstacle. So that's when probably the first time it would have been used, steer clear, the idiom steer clear. So we have been using the same as an idiom for regular life events, for regular communication, meaning to avoid. So if you want to say, I normally avoid something or I want to avoid something, you can say, I want to steer clear of this, or I normally steer clear of controversies or uncomfortable conversations. Thank you very much.